This is how to burn with a magnifying glass. Now I recommend you wear some eye protection. I'll start off with that. But here we have a piece of paper. Well, now I can't actually. Okay, now I can see smoke. It's not burning as well as it used to be. It's very cloudy today, so I found just one little bright spot. Now here we have like a bush. You really want to focus down to the right distance. Now the demonstration is first. The actual how to do is second. Okay, it won't burn this. It was burning that earlier. Okay, I'll do that. Now it's not burning. Is it actually? No, it's not. Look at that. Weird. Okay, now it's burning. Just gotta get that good angle. There we go. If you get that angle, if you get the right angle, then it's extremely quick. Smells like a barbecue over here. And here, just for the fun of it, oh no, broken laser goggles. Now, I don't know where the other side went. Okay, broken laser goggles. Let's see, I don't know if it's burning or not. Let's see what happened. That's what happened. So yeah, don't look at this. I recommend you look away. So, more paper. Okay, now how to do it. So first you take your magnifying glass. This is just a toy magnifying glass, honestly. It really is hot now, but you just focus it down until you get the smallest dot. And sorry about that. You just focus it. You just focus it down until you get the smallest little spot. Eventually you'll get it. It can take a second, but as you can see, we got that instant smoke. Okay, now I'm gonna stop, but I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye, peace out.